This is the Realme 14 Pro Plus and this comes with world's first color changing back and that looks stunning.
जैसे temperature goes below 16 degrees centigrade, इसका जो back cover है starts changing its color to a beautiful vivid blue.
It has world's first super powerful Snapdragon 7S Gen 3.
And not just that, you get segment first quad curve display with super thin bezels.
6000 mAh Titan battery, super fast 80 watt Superbook charging along with IP66, 68 and 69 rating.
Additionally, it sets new standards in mobile photography with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX896 OIS camera and a flagship level Sony IMX882 OIS 3X periscope lens.
And Magic Glow triple flash for great party portraits and low light photography. If you like good design and great cameras, this is the phone you should definitely check out.